Alright, welcome back to the channel. Just going to be a short video today showing you the new blue trail at Cannock Chase. So it's been under construction for probably pretty close to half a year now. And yeah, just wanted to check it out. It's been open for 1 or 2 days max. Quite looking forward to it. It's sort of an optional to the start follow the dog, which is the red route here. And as you can see, the red route just sort of peels off it. So you got plenty of different route choices depending on your ability. Really nice and flowy so far. But this section is a massive improvement over what was here prior. Nice. Alright, next section now. Nice little bridge here. I'm not sure whether it's just called Blue Trail or whether they haven't come up with a name for it yet. Feels like it should have its own separate name. Some little jumps there. Quite flat and pedally here, but it's just sort of the nature of the terrain. So I got a sneak peek of this section whilst they were still building it, and it looks quite fun, to be fair. Going to dial back my speed a little bit because obviously riding it blind, and also since the trail surface is so new, it's quite slippy and loose. It's not as much grip as you might think. Some nice berms there. I can just feel tyres wanting to slip out from underneath me there. Some nice jumps. So my summary so far would be that it's a great trail for learning to ride. There's nothing technically difficult at all, so if you're new to mountain biking, this is a great place to get started. And it's also fun if you haven't ridden it before, but I suspect more advanced riders might get a little bit frustrated with how pedally it is. At the end of the day, the terrain around here is relatively flat, so there's only so much they can do with it. this section is quite interesting in that you've got a climb with an uphill rock garden, which is red, and then the blue route just sort of winds back and forth for people that don't fancy the rock garden. Not bad. Some nice learner jumps there. Perfect for progressing on. Looks like another bermy section down here. Little tight corner here to slow you down before you cross the track. If you do come here, just be careful with your navigation, because there's this new trail called the Blue Trail, which might get an actual name at some point, and then there's a Sherbrooke Trail, which has been here for ages and is very dull, so make sure you're going on the right one. Alright, I think this might be the last section. Some nice big berms here. And there we go. So the signage is a little bit confusing at the end there. It'd be very easy to end up back at the start of the Blue Trail doing another lap, which is great if that's what you intend, but slightly confusing otherwise. So there we go. Nice trail overall, like I said. Great if you're learning to ride. Very nice to be able to progress on and gain some confidence with berms and rollers, etc. And also good if you're an advanced rider, you can try and blast around it and see how quickly you can do a lap. And I think in my next video I'm going to show off all the red diversions of the Blue Trail. So subscribe if you want to see that. Thanks for watching.